have been fishing since I was a kid. We've been here dialed, grinding on this game. Oh! Oh my god! Wait!
Those lips, yeah, baby. All right, Henry, get that crane right over here.
Do not fuck me.
All right, crane takes over now. I can let go. Do we need a helicopter?
Please.
I mean, what kind of question is that doing?
Please! Oh my god, keep going.
Go, Joshua. Get to the chopper. All right,
I'm so
helicopter now
dialed.
takes over.
Don't
Do we need a cargo
fuck me.
helicopter?
Oh my god.
I mean, what kind of questions am I asking? Of course we do.
Oh my god!
Cargo heli. Helicopter, helicopter.
Is it enough?
All right, what multiplier do we get?
It is! Oh, I wanted to see the robot, but that's massive.
They
Imagine
started
another
a
fish just
bit
jumps
smaller.
out and eats it.
5x bigger than the last time. Last time it was 105.
500
This
eggs.
time we got an 80.
Not bad! Yes, bro.